ever-evolving world of Instagram marketing, standing out from the crowd has become a huge challenge for every creatorpreneur. That's why chatbot marketing is revolutionary. Imagine automating interactions with potential customers in real time, all day, every single day. For modern creatorpreneurs like you, this is a game changer. Instead of repeatedly sending users to your link in bio, it's time to harness the power of chatbot marketing and create more personalized and instantaneous interactions. Hey there, welcome back to my channel where I share the best tips, tricks, and strategies to help you grow and monetize on social media and beyond. And in today's video, we're gonna be talking about chatbot marketing, why this is crucial for your content creator business, and 7 ways in which you can incorporate chatbot marketing into your Instagram account with ease. So to get started, what the hell is chatbot marketing? It's the use of automated software designed to interact with your followers in real time, often mimicking human-like interactions. So for creators that juggle multiple tasks daily, automating interactions can be a huge lifesaver. So let's get started and go over the 7 ways that you can use chatbot marketing to boost your engagement and your sales on Instagram. The first and the most common one is the DM keyword trigger. If you've ever wished that your DMs had an autoresponder like email, well, this is pretty much that. You only need to instruct your audience to DM you a specific keyword and voila, a conversation is triggered. Now, before this, you should have created this triggered message in the backend so that when someone sends you that DM, that specific message is sent out. And this is great to collect user data or send people to your landing pages, your sales pages, or any of your other channels. And this method promises an increase in leads and in sales. Way number 2 is called DM greetings. And you know that first impressions last. So sending a welcome message to every newbie on Instagram fosters this huge sense of community. So how does this work? Again, when someone DMs you for the first time ever, there will be an autoresponder. And this can be great to drive new faces into your offers, into your freebies, or even to spark potential partnerships. It's a blend of customer service and great marketing. Way number 3 is post comments, and this is my personal favorite for 2 main reasons. It not only comments on your post, but also sends a DM. Let me explain. When you are creating content, whether this is a reel or a carousel or a single post, and you instruct people to comment a specific keyword, they comment that keyword, the bot automatically responds to that comment, so you double your comments on your post. This is like having a sales agent in autopilot. So you can actually do this with every single post, and every single post will start bringing you leads, sales, or any types of requests in your DMs. Way number 4 is through story mentions. And we'll know that being mentioned in stories is sweet, but what if you could capitalize on this? Now, every time you're tagged, your chatbot will send a heartfelt thank you to this user or redirect this user to your landing page so that they can download a freebie, or to your sales page so that they can opt in into your offer. It's a very strategic move on how to use chatbot marketing to increase sales and that sense of community. Way number 5 is with story reactions and replies. So you can set up any keyword, and when you're doing stories, you can simply tell people, react to this story with this keyword or reply to this story with this keyword, and then the message will be triggered. But here's the thing, you can also set up this automation to be triggered when people react to your stories with emojis. And you know that sometimes you react to a story by impulse with a heart or with a fire emoji. You can also set up automations to go out when people react just with these emojis. And this is great because your engagement remains high, and so does your potential for sales. Way number 6 is through Instagram Lives. You know, when you're in the middle of a live session, the last thing you want to do is to multitask. But with Instagram's features, you cannot get the information of people that attended your live. With chatbot marketing, you can. You can simply tell people to comment or DM you a specific word during your live, and once again, they will get that triggered message. So let's pretend you're in a live and you're promoting your new offer. You can tell people to comment the phrase, I am in, and while they're still in the live and they comment that, your chatbot will send them that message so that they can opt into your offer without you having to leave that Instagram live. Isn't that amazing? And way number 7 is by capturing leads. And this is a revolutionary way because People don't have to leave Instagram. Once again, your chatbot will ask them for their email address. They will input their email address in the DMs. Your chatbot will take that information and it will store it in its database. So you can start collecting emails, growing your email list without having to leave Instagram. And then you can just utilize email marketing strategies or SMS strategies. Now let's talk about DM automation tools. While there are a lot of tools out there, for this video, we're gonna be covering the top 3. The number 1 and my personal favorite is called Loomsuite, okay? This is a perfect blend of all the tools out there without being too complex, but it still has a lot of capabilities, and the best part is that it is quite affordable with a fixed price. Customer service is great, it's very easy to set up, but if you have issues, they will always help you to do it. By the way, if you want to try Loomsuite for free, I'm sharing a link in the description of this video. So once you finish this video, you can go try it out, set up your first DM automations, and send me a DM. Let me know how it went. Tool number 2 is ManyChat, and this is probably the most popular and robust one. You probably heard a lot of creators and entrepreneurs using ManyChat. ManyChat is a bit too complex for my taste, and it's also a bit pricey. So the more contacts you have, the higher the price. And tool number 3 is Customers.ai. While this one is simpler to set up, it's also quite pricey, and once again, the more people that you DM or the more people that activate that automation, the higher your price point. So it might not be very profitable for smaller creators or entrepreneurs that are just starting out. The best option, in my opinion, is Loomsuite. That's why I'm sharing a link in the description. Before ending, I want to remind you about my free ChatGPT prompt pack. This is a pack with over 50 ChatGPT prompts that are going to help you with your Instagram strategy, content strategy, and monetization strategies. It's completely free. A lot of people have loved it and have found a lot of value in it. So I'm sharing a link in the description. You can go download it and start using these prompts right away. So to wrap up, the age of sending people to your link in bio is slowly fading away. And the future is in leveraging chatbot marketing for Instagram. Whether it's on using chatbot marketing to increase your response rate or to generate more leads or sales, the process has been simplified and optimized so that anyone can use chatbots these days. So if you're ready to harness the power of chatbot marketing, once again, I invite you to try Loomsuite. Link is in the description. And if you learned something new, don't forget to give those thumb ups, share this video with someone else. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe because we share weekly content on AI for content creation, social media growth, and monetization, and more. So I can't wait to see you next time. Bye.